I would like to explain a little bit about how to use Dropbox paper. Dropbox paper について少し説明しますね。When you see in your Line account, when you have this link, and when you click on this link, you can go to your Dropbox paper easily. Now, notice that there are many names, there are many participants. There are actually 45 people are working on this Dropbox paper, and you can actually edit it real time. So that's the beauty of Dropbox paper. And look at this invite button here. And when you click the invite button, you can easily invite your friend through email address, or notice there is a link for you to copy. So このリンクをコピーして、シェアすればその方も、ここに参加することができます。So there is a function of things to do, to-do list, and there's notification to tell you who has written what, right? So move on. When you see this picture, you click on it. You can also, adjust how the picture should appear for you. And even for the font, if you highlight any font here, then you can see you can change the size, you can bold it, right? And now many of you have given your writing in this Dropbox paper. Now, I'm not sure how many of you are aware of the comment section. コメントを読んだことありますか？例えば右側にこういうふうにコメントが来てるんですけれど。And in this comment, I notified Clara Wong and also Nakao Haruka. So the comment is for you to reply and for you to interact freely. So I expect you to, actively make use of the comment. So コメントをバンバン入れてくださいね。積極的に、コメントをつけることでインタラクションをするという、仕組みになってるんですけど、ここにジョシュア先生のコメントを見たことありますか？ Right? And then he thinks that Fumika-san should be the leader, things like that. Fumika-san, would you like to send a reply? Or maybe a smiley face? Whatever, right? So this is a Dropbox paper. Now, for your project, you can actually choose Dropbox paper as one of your project. So for that, you can easily turn the Dropbox paper into a presentation. You look at this button here. Once you press, so it will become a presentation automatically. So this is ready to be presented, or you can even invert the background. So that is a little bit about Dropbox paper. And later, each of you shall work on the Dropbox paper of your own group. For example, if you are group 3, now this is your Dropbox paper for your group to interact. So どんどん書き込んでどんどんインタラクションしてくださいね。コメントをバンバンつけてやってください。Thank you.